Experience blazing fast performance with the Samsung Galaxy S21 FE 5G. Powered by the Qualcomm processor, this smartphone delivers seamless multitasking and smooth UI navigation. This product features 8 GB RAM for smooth and efficient performance. It runs on Android 12.0 operating system, providing a user-friendly interface. With a powerful 4500 mAh battery, it offers long-lasting usage. The device supports 5G connectivity for fast and reliable network connections. Additionally, it comes with 128 GB of storage space to store your files and data. With features like fast charging support, dual SIM capability, 4K video recording, wireless charging, and water resistance, this product is a versatile and convenient choice. AMOLED display type offers vibrant colors and deep black levels for an immersive visual experience. Uncover and explore the invaluable customer ratings for the product, providing insightful feedback and opinions to guide your decision-making process. For further information, visit the product detail page.